Not so long ago, deep in the land of orange, near the famous Caledonia pumpkin tree, and by the old harvest barn, lived the Pumpkin Patch Cats. These were no ordinary cats. Besides being barnyard mousers and friends to the patch animals, they were also known in the local cat community as Halloween cats. There was Chewy, the wise cat, who had survived years living at the patch. Next was Caramel, the gentle cat, who liked to curl up on warm autumn afternoons. Tiger Stripes was admired for her beautiful stripes and was nicknamed T.S. Black Cat arrived one day, unannounced, knowing he had a home for autumn. It seems the colors orange and black mix well in October. Next was Fat Cat, who had a head too large for his body. Joya was the happy cat, always jumping as if scared out of her skin. Finally, there was Baby Cat, who was the pumpkin of everyone's eye. Now, these pumpkin patch cats enjoyed the fall, but most of all, they loved Halloween. It was on Halloween night that the cat parade took place, and pumpkin patch cats dreamed of leading the parade. Each cat had to wear a costume. The best costume chosen by Patches the Loft Scarecrow would lead the parade. So, on Halloween night, after the last customer left the old harvest barn, cats would come out to pick their costumes. Chewy Cat became Franken Cat. Caramel Cat wanted to be a cowgirl. T.S. became Mummy Cat. Black Cat saw himself as a pirate. Fat Cat wanted to be a juggling clown. Joya the jumping cat became Elvis the cool cat. And Baby Cat dressed up as Baby Cat. All the cats in costumes lined up for judging. Patches, the Loft Scarecrow, chose the cat who would lead the parade. And he chose Caramel, the cowgirl cat. Now, all is ready for Halloween. Pumpkins are glowing brightly in the night. Kids are out trick-or-treating. And the Pumpkin Patch Cats are on parade.